How to change a WhatsApp account to another phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your WhatsApp account to another phone. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now tap on Settings located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Account and then select Change Phone Number. After that, tap Next from the top right corner. Here, enter your old phone number followed by the new phone number. Finally, complete the process to successfully switch your WhatsApp account to the new phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.